Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in the title, this is a full face of Morphe. So I'm starting out with the definer brow pencil in the color Java. I really like using the pencil, but I'm more of a fan of brow gel just because with pencils it tends to rub off a lot quicker than the gel does. So now I'm going in with the Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in the color C345. I'm just using this to carve out my brows, and I'm also going to use it to prime my eyelids. So for my lid color, I'm going in with Yacht Life out of the FAQS Sweet Oasis Artistry Palette. I was going to do a cut crease, but I decided to go ahead and use this color all over the lid. So the next color I'm going in with is Picture Perfect from the same Sweet Oasis palette. This color I use just to smooth out the edges of that first color that we used. You can't really tell on the video, but it is a slight lighter pink than the color I was using before, but I know it's hard to tell. So to smooth out the edges of that last color, I went in with Sandbar out of the same palette, and it's just like a real pretty caramel brown. So this last color I'm going in with, well, really it's a glitter. It is the color Glitterly from the Artist Pass palette, and it is so pretty. I love this palette. So just kidding, this is actually the last shade that I used, and it is Seek Shade from the Artist Pass palette as well, and I just use this to smoke out the eyeshadow look. Now please do not be alarmed by the color of this foundation. So this was the shade match for me, supposedly, but everything is going to turn out good, and just keep watching the video. I know it looks a little scary, a little yellow, a little weird, but once it oxidizes, it'll be fine. used Deep Hue and Evolve from the Dare to Create palette to go over the cream contour. Mixing those together made like the perfect contour shade for me. So I'm finishing up my look. I did not show putting on my lashes because they are not from Morphe. And I don't know if you can tell by now, but I'm definitely not a lipstick girl. I'm more of a gloss girl. So I applied my gloss and this is the finished look.